ain't shit, but I can rock it like this. No, I can work it like this.
No, I think
I can work it like this.
They got bad Puerto Rican on you right now. They got bad Puerto Rican.
What's up, boy? Manito. Jonathan Chavo.
Suavemente, bésame, que quiero sentir tu labio, suavemente, bésame, que quiero sentir tu labio, bésame otra vez. This is the Brooklyn crew right here. Represent.
And where you at?
Where you at?
Where you at?
Let me rap this.
Where you at?
Let me rap this.
Where you at?
Let me rap this.
I'm right here.
Shot once, give it that high, get it, never made a go.
We on the top shit, y'all. No, we doing like this.
People a microphone. That's it.
Come on. Come on.
There we go.
Come on.
What?
Come on.
It's your birthday, yo. Because I'm on Brooklyn, yo. Because I'm a hat. There we go.
Say what? Say what? Say what? Do it. Do it. Do it.
Get harder.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
God damn it.
Do it.
Pero mira la bonita. Dale.
Put it up. Put it up.
I got this verse
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. I don't need no microphone.
Mira.
I can't.
Yes, sir.
I think I got pregnant. What's your name?
Coco.
Hi, Coco.
How you doing, baby?
And so you came out of nowhere.